Are you guys ready? Let's check this out. Let's check this out. See this? Tick, tock, tick, tock. Watch it. Tick, 1, tock, 2, tick, 3, tock, 4. So it takes tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. Now I did 4 areas. That took me 8. Plus we go into low shoe, becomes 16 of tick tock. Tick tock is automatically 16. One block is 16 to make tick tock. Because it's 4 areas, 4 by 9 is 36. You can't go anymore because it's 4 areas of 9. All areas are 9. You split out the center of the 9. You take 9, you put it in the center, you put a circle around the whole thing, and that's what happens is the square gets bigger, it turns into a circle. And the reason the square turns into a circle is because 9 comes from the outside, he goes on the inside, and he forces it into a circle. And don't forget, anything you spin, especially this, turns around in a circle. This is what happens in tick-tock. You want somebody to say, how come he doesn't understand me? How come she doesn't understand me? How come she doesn't understand me? So, this is the way it works. This is you. This is me. If I go in the center, watch the situation. She wants to go out. She doesn't want to go out. She wants to stand up. I think she wants to sit down. By being in the middle, I have to think, of the 2 sides. Okay? I have to understand by the middle, but I must take a position. If you take a position, you are now on one side. The second person, okay, would now be on the other side. When it goes tick, tock, you're both looking into the area that's empty. The panache, the mousse, OO equals to E and E, which understands your circle and your circle. It's E and E is 5 and 5 and also connects the 2 circles inside E when you actually create it properly and turns into a 7, 5, and 2, which make it 72, 86, and 52, 85, and 57, 75, 7, 7, 7, 5, 5, 5. But we all know that 6 and 1 can't be any less than anyone than 6, 1, and 7, because that's what it is. 7, 1, and 6. 7 times 16 is 70, and 42 is 112, and that's the queen. 56 and 56. 4 times 28 equals 112 days to the 4 moons. Okay, so this is what happens. By this person being on this side and this person being on this side, they can see in between the 2 sides. They can see, they have to go back into a corner. If you stay in one corner, okay, all you can have in front of you is 3 other corners. Actually, if you stay into one corner, you turn your square into a half. You become a half a square because you divided the square between the upper world that is challenging you. So you only get to play half of the square. So if you take half of the square, it makes a line like this and a point over here. You cut off the point and all you have is 1 point here, 1 point here, 1 in the center. It's 1 versus 3. And it becomes actually a continuation into the cards. But let's go back to this. If you talk like this is the way we go. If this one, this one says to this one, how come you decided to, like, didn't you know I was thinking that? Yeah, I did know I was thinking, I took this side, but what happens if you weren't? I had to take the other side. Now that I show you the difference and take one side, I take one side, the other person takes the other side, and now you see the complete difference. Tick, tock, Z and N that come together in the tick, tock. In the tick, tock, how the tick, tock works. It's the Z and the N. You see this? The Z, the bar and the Z like this, right, allows the top and the bottom to go move like this. Stretching out this way on this angle, 45 degrees. Stretching back on this angle, 45 degrees. Stretching back on this angle, 80 degrees. I think that's exactly it. It's a movement. Because the center is a ball. And it's found in Rubik's Cube. And now understand how these are made. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Talking about how it's made. Thank you for watching.